Oh my god, it's so cute! And look at the little build's tail is so cute. It's neon. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, don't want to go to school. Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me video, and today I'm going to be making 5 more neons. I'm going to make the Drake, the Puma, Ginger Cat, Red Panda, and Griffin. I already have a golden Griffin that's rideable, but I think it still looks cool. So these are the kind of Griffins we're going to do. We're going to do these Griffins. Okay, so let's go to the neon merge place and make more neons. Okay, first of all, let's go do the Drake. The Drake looks like a duck. And my drakes are all the way down. So these are my drakes. I think it's like a swan. Let's do it! Let's make this neon! I'm so excited! For more. I wonder what color it's going to be. I think the green parts are going to be blue. Wait, I knew the green parts were going to be neon, but I didn't think just green. But anyways, it looks so cool. I love it! Wait, what? I can't ride it because I don't have the potion for it. I just got mixed up with another pet, with the golden rideable Griffin. That looks so cool. I love it so much. Okay, so let's do a Puma now. So here's the Puma. My god. Why do I need a task? We're in the middle of this video. Oh my god. One more and then we make this Puma neon. I think the dark orange bits are going to be black. Oh my god, it's so cute! I love it so much! And I like it how it is, and its whiskers and its nose and its feet and its tail is neon. And it looks like the ginger bit, like this bit, but except it's more like this bit. Okay, so let's do the ginger cat now. I really like the ginger cat. And don't forget guys, you need 4 of them and fully grown, and not all different rare pets, all of the same rare pets. Otherwise it won't work. Ginger. So here's what it looks like. I had lots of pets, but then I traded them to get 4 ginger cats. Oh my god! I think the black bits are going to be neon, and its ears and its whiskers and its nose. Oh my god, that's so cute! And look at the little build's tail is so cute, it's neon. Aww. Okay, so the ginger cat is done now. Let's try and do the Red Panda. Here we go. Red Panda. To level these up, I use my AFK method. And if you want to know how to do this, then watch my AFK video right here. I need a shower. My god, no. Oh my god! I never had a neon Red Panda before. But I didn't think that the red bits are going to be neon. I thought the white bits were going to be neon, and his eyes. But anyways, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, and lastly, let's do the Griffin. And if you make a pet that has the ride potion and the fly potion, or any potion on it, then it will, and when you make it mega neon or just neon, it will still be fly or ride or any potion that you gave it. Oh my god! No, don't want to go to school. Oh my god! And I can still fly it. And this is so cool. And I can still, and I can still ride it. This is so cool. I love it. I wish I could make this one neon though and flyable. But anyways, I love it. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and next video I'm going to make some Christmas pets neon. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Connect the hearts.